Sometimes life can be cruel here in Manas National Park. These Asiatic wild buffaloes have to cross the river before the water level rises. They have to risk their life to swim across to a safer place. This river Beki is one of the largest rivers which flows from Bhutan to India. As this water comes from the hills of Bhutan and hit the plains of India, the water current gets extremely cruel, posing a great risk to these animals. But luckily, this time, these buffaloes have managed to swim across safely. But these are the challenges these animals face in the monsoon here in Manas National Park.